Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. Today we are going to discuss one of the important topic, compound interest. So move on to first question. The given question here, what will be the compound interest of the sum of 8,000 rupees at 5% per annum for 3 years? Okay, so first of all, compound interest formula. What is the formula, guys? Anyone? Compound interest is equal to, okay, so then p into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n minus 1. Okay, so here ci means compound interest, p means principal amount, r means rate of interest, n means number of years. Okay, so look at the screen, guys. I think very dead is the question, guys. I'm going to percentage method, guys. This problem we are going to solve different methods, guys, but I'm going to here so percentage method. Okay, look at the screen, guys. Here the principal amount is how much? 8,000 rupees. Note down, guys, here 8,000 rupees. So per annum rate of interest is how much? 5% per annum. In 8,000, 5% is how much? So 400 rupees. 8 5 are 40. Yes, 400 rupees. In second year principal amount is how much? 8,000 plus 400. So 8,400 rupees in second year principal amount. In second year also rate of interest is how much? 5% per annum. Okay, so 8,400 rupees, 5% is how much? 420 rupees. Okay, so in third year total principal amount is how much? So 8,400 plus 420 rupees, how much, guys? So 8,820 rupees. In third year also rate of interest is same, 5% per annum. Okay, so 8,820 rupees in 5% is how much? 441 rupees. Okay, find the compound interest. So third year you're paying interest is how much? 441 rupees. Second year you're paying interest is how much? 420 rupees. First year you're paying interest is how much? 400 rupees, right? Note down, guys, here 400 plus 420 plus 441 is equal to then 1261. The total sum is how much, guys? 1261 is the compound interest. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Yes. Next, move on to next question here. Find the compound interest on 8,000 rupees per 9 months at 20% per annum, compounded quarterly. Quarterly means how many months, guys? 3 months, right? So quarterly means how many months? 3 months. So what is the formula? Quarterly formula? A is equal to, so then P into 1 plus R by 4 by 100 whole power 4n, whole power 4n. Okay, so let me calculate, guys, here. I'm going to percentage method, guys, right? Okay, so how many months we are given? 9 months, right? So 9 months, quarterly means how many months? 3 months. Then split into 3 parts. 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. Okay, first find out the first 3 months interest. Okay, so principal amount is how much? 8,000 rupees. Okay, yes. And coming to the rate of interest is how much? So 20%. R by 4 means 20 by 4 is equal to every 3 months you are paying rate of interest is how much, guys? 5%. Then 5%. So in 8,000 rupees, 5% is how much? 400 rupees. Coming to the next 3 months, the principal amount is how much? 8,400 rupees. 8,400 rupees. Rate of interest is how much? 5%, right? Okay, so 8,400 rupees, 5% is how much? 420 rupees. Next 3 months, so principal amount is how much? 8,820 rupees. So rate of interest is how much? 5%. Okay, 8,820 rupees and 5% is how much? 441 rupees. Okay, so total interest is how much, guys? Total interest is how much? 400, 420 and 441 is equal to the total sum is 1261 rupees. Interest is you are paying 9 months. How much, guys? 1261. So find out the total amount, right? Total amount is equal to principal plus compound interest. So principal is how much? 8,000 rupees. interest is how much? 1261. Then is equal to 9261. 9261 is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you? I think very easy, guys. You can solve this problem just within fraction of seconds, sir, without pen. The next question, A invested 16,000 rupees at the rate of 10% per annum for 1 year. If the interest is compounded half yearly, then find the total amount received by A at the end of the year. Okay, half yearly. Half yearly means how many months, guys? 6 months. Okay, so what is the formula? Half yearly formula? A is equal to, so then P into 1 plus R by 2 by 100 whole power 2n. Here A means overall amount, P means principal amount, R means rate of interest, N means number of years. Okay, so for example, if you are going to formula method, this problem taking at least 1 to 2 minutes time, I think it's a waste of time, right? Then I'm going to percentage method, guys. I'm going to percentage method. So here is given 1 year, right? 1 year. So half yearly means 6 months, right? 6 months, 6 months, split into 2 parts, 6 months and 6 months. First, find out the first 6 months, how much you are paying interest. Okay, so look at the screen, guys, here. So principal amount is how much? 16,000 rupees. And coming to the rate of interest. So per year, rate of interest is how much? 10% per annum, right? So then 10 by 2 means it's R by 2. So then is equal to 5%. Every 6 months you are paying rate of interest is how much? 5%. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Yes. And it's up to here. In 16,000 rupees, 5% is how much? 800 rupees. If first 6 months you are paying interest is how much? 800 rupees. So next 6 months, principal amount is how much? 16,800. Rate of interest is how much? 5% per annum. 5% per annum. 16,800, 5% is how much? Okay, so 840 rupees. In second 6 months, you are paying interest is how much? 840 rupees. Total interest 1 year you are paying how much, guys? So 800 plus 840. So 1640 rupees you are paying. So interest, guys. Find out the total amount, right? So total amount means principal plus compound interest. Principal amount is how much? 16,000 rupees. And interest is how much? 1640. Then is equal to 17,640 rupees you are paying at the end of the year. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Yes, I think very easy question, guys. You can solve this problem just within fraction of seconds, sir, without pen.